Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking Up with Mommy C. As we can see, the weather is getting nicer and obviously we need more refreshing drinks, healthier drinks. And we're gonna be making a smoothie. Easy recipe to follow, guys. So in here, I just have my fruit. So in here is mango, passion fruit, banana, strawberries, and I have some coconut yogurt, sorry, really good. And I have some orange juice. So we're gonna put that together and come up with a beautiful tasting smoothie. Okay, so guys, I'm just putting my fruits in here. Put your fruits in the blender. My kids love smoothies, so I just put about 3 spoons of yogurt because I like my smoothies to be creamy. And then you put some orange juice. If you put water in there, you can put water as well. If you put water in there, I find that you're gonna end up having to sweeten a little bit. I find with orange juice, you get a little bit of that sweetness, but usually with the bananas, you'll get some sweetness out of that. Okay, so we just put a little bit of orange juice and we're gonna blend this up. Very nice. Layla?
Yep.
How much do you like this smoothie?
1 out of 10, 9. 10, actually.
Okay, all right.
That looks delicious.
Look at that. And if you want, you guys can always add some ice to put in there if you want yours. But these are frozen fruits, so you know that they're already icy, and so you know the smoothie is going to be great. So we just pour it in here. All right, guys, and just like that, you just pour it in there. I like to make my things a little bit so it has that fancy look, and just like that, you have a nice,
one perfect summer smoothie.
Nice tropical smoothie. Okay?
This is honestly like the best smoothie ever. My mom makes the best smoothie because of the flavors, everything.
It's thick and creamy, right? It's nice and creamy. All right, guys, so just like Layla said, it's an easy recipe. Like I said, I only put mango, mango, passion fruit, strawberries, and banana in there. Put in some coconut yogurt and some orange juice, and you get that creamy smoothie you always want, trust me. All right, guys, so make sure to like up this video, share the video. Remember to subscribe to this channel, Cooking Up with Mommy C. All right, thanks so much. Layla's loving her smoothie right now. All right, enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.